Hello and welcome back to Rick's Kits. I feel I've cheated you a little bit because I haven't done another update on this, but I have got this beautiful 1/6 scale Harley Davidson put together. Absolutely fantastic kit. I enjoyed putting this one together, I really did. There's lots of movable bits and pieces on it. The suspension moves. You've got brake and clutch lines move. The seat's spring loaded. Bit squeaky. That's the springs on it. Got the siren here. The box is open. I'm not going to show the boxes open, unfortunately, because they're a pain in the backside to get back on again. We've got, hang on, let me get your fingers in there. Main stand, which comes down. Now she sits on that stand. Take her back off of that one for the moment. We've also got a kickstand on the side. She sits on that one. A little bit wibbly, but she sits on it. Needless to say. We got the Harley Davidson decals running down the side. Let me see if I can bring you in there. There you go, Harley Davidson Police decals on the front. What else moves on this thing? Well, the wheels move, that's for starters. They move. She is a beauty. Absolute beauty. Got the red lights on the front, along with the indicators. This isn't very clear, unfortunately. There's mould markings and stuff in that. It's hard getting hold of this now. It's fully put together. It's a pain in the backside to try and hold it. But we got move brake pedal. There's a battery inside the battery box there. We've got all the lines completed. Hang on, let me turn it this way a bit slightly. Got coiled radio wire. Got the glass and decals in place. Switch the dual tanks. Area on the back. We've got a 1970s style California number plate in blue. Oh, this is rubber. Oh dear, this is difficult to hold on to. But she is absolutely gorgeous. I absolutely love this kit. Really do. A lot of metal parts on it. I'm going to drop that in a sec. Got lots of metal parts. This is metal. Handlebars are metal. We've got the brake system. We've got the fuel lines. We've got the sparkies in there. The exhaust system. Absolutely gorgeous. Really, really, really enjoyed this one. Really enjoyed this one. There you go. Show you one of the wheels. There's the front wheel. See, moves. Gorgeous kit. Absolutely gorgeous kit. Thoroughly enjoyed it. Thoroughly enjoyed it. So there it is. My 1/6 Harley Davidson. Oh, crikey. You destroyed it. Police motorcycle. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope you appreciate this build. Just one more thing to say. I appreciate my subscribers, all of you, old and new. I don't say it often enough. I do sometimes leave it in the comments behind, but yes, you are appreciated. Every single one of you. I wouldn't have a channel, like some of the others say, we wouldn't have channels without you guys. And we do appreciate every single one of you guys. Really do. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. It's free. It really doesn't cost you a thing. Hit the like button, hit the share button, hit a bell. Don't forget any videos that I've got coming out. You hit the bell button, it'll notify you of when the next one's available. Hope you guys have had a fantastic Christmas and will enjoy your new year. See you on the other side. Merry Christmas to you. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.